back with another video. I haven't sat down and filmed a face-to-face video in a long time. I've been doing a lot of grocery hauls where you guys don't even see my face, a few little sporadic day in the life videos, but I haven't sat down, set up my tripod in ages. So I'm really excited about this video. So today's video is going to be a holiday home decor haul. I did some shopping for some new things for the holidays this year. I am so excited about the upcoming holiday season. I wanted a few new little bits and bobs to sprinkle around my house. If you guys don't know, we've done a little tiny bit of remodeling, redecorating here in my home. So I wanted to add a few new holiday pieces this year, just to complement the things we've done here in our home, and because I just wanted a few new things. So I went to Big Lots, Walmart, and Dollar General. I think that's where I bought things. I went to a zillion places looking at things. But those I think are the places where I actually made purchases. So let me go ahead and share with you what I got. I'll start with the Dollar General things because those are the items I bought first. So what I have envisioned this year for my holiday decor is a couple of theme trees. In years past, we have done very kid-friendly, bright, mishmash decorations, colored lights on all of our trees. We have a very small home, but we do quite a few trees in my house. We do our big tree, it's not really big, but it's our main tree here in my living room. And then we do trees in both of my boys' bedrooms. Last year I also did a little mini tree here behind me on this little table here in my living room. So typically we do 4 trees. One that's like full height, 7 foot or whatever, and then the others are little small trees. So we're gonna do that again this year, but I decided instead of putting 2 trees in my living room, which was a little odd, I'll admit, I'm gonna do a tabletop tree, like a little 3-foot tree in my bedroom this year. I have not done a Christmas tree in my bedroom before, but I'm very excited about it, and I decided that I wanted to do a black and white and red theme in there with some more like natural looking things. So with that in mind, I hit up Dollar General because they have some really great looking stuff, really affordable prices. First thing I picked up was this little 12 count of pine cones. I wanted to do really natural looking decorations on this tree, and I thought that this would be great. This was $1 for 12 little mini pine cones, and I think they're gonna look so cute on that little tree. In addition to that, I also wanted to pick up some larger ones. So each of these little pine cone ornaments was $1. You can see these are quite a bit bigger than this size here. But again, they've got that natural like raffia hanging here, and it's got some little red berries and accents on it. And I picked up 4 of these, 2 that are this style, and then I also picked up 2 that have the little snowy bits on there. They have this super cute little buffalo check gingham ribbon on these. These ones have the little red and white striped ribbon, so I thought that these would be really cute on that tree as well. In addition to that, I picked up some little ornaments. So this little box of 4 ornaments, it was $3. I picked up 2 of these, and they're just these clear ornaments, and inside there's some fake snow and a little sprig of fake pine and some little holly berries, and I thought that those would be super cute as well. I apologize if I keep saying super cute. I picked up these little buffalo check ornaments. These were each $1, and I thought that those would work really well with the theme. Again, it's got that little string to hang the ornament, and it's got a little bead on there, and each of these says joy. And then lastly from Dollar General, I picked up 2 packages of these as well. These were $3 for a little 3 count of ornaments. And these are like little snowballs almost. They're little faux fur wrapped balls, and then they have the little string bow and again that little sprig of pine and holly berries. and I thought that would be cute as well. So that is going to be the tree in the bedroom. I also picked up a couple of little things from Walmart for that little tree, but I'll show you guys that when we get there. For now, I want to talk to you guys about Big Lots. So for the big tree in the living room, I'm going to do a blue and gold theme, and I'm so excited about this. What inspired this was going into Big Lots and seeing all these absolutely beautiful deep dark blue ornaments. I think it's going to be such a classy looking tree and very different from what I've done in years past. So Big Lots, like I said, this was the inspiration for this tree, so let me show you what I picked up. First and foremost, I picked up these beautiful beaded sequined holiday ornaments. This was $6. They are hung by a beautiful blue ribbon, and I think that these are going to be stunning when they catch the light. I'm going to do white lights on the tree, I think, and it's just going to be so classy and so beautiful. So I'm super psyched about those. What else did I pick up at Big Lots? I've got everything over here kind of mishmashed together. So to go along with that, and this is spewing glitter absolutely everywhere, but this little tabletop tree I thought would be a perfect to coordinate with those ornaments I just showed you. And this is from the Starry Night Winter Wonder Lane collection, I guess. It's tabletop decor. This was $8, and like I said, little beads and sequins and pearls are just absolutely everywhere from this, but it's so beautiful. And again, I think in the right lighting, it's going to be stunning. So it's all that deep blue and white and gold and silver, and I'm going to be incorporating all of those colors throughout my tree. To go along with that, I also picked up this one. This gives me such like wizard vibes. Looks like a wizard hat, right? So beautiful. Again, that deep dark blue. This is velvet. It's got the gorgeous gold stars, and I think that that's going to be a perfect complement to that little sequined tree I just showed you. And lastly, from Big Lots, again from that same collection, are these ornaments. And these are super beautiful little sleighs, again with that deep blue velvet. The detailing on these is a super cute little white or gold brush tree with some pearls and some gold accents. And this pack of 3 was $6 as well. That little shorter velvet tree here, by the way, was $6. So that was it from Big Lots, but that got me totally inspired for my blue tree, and so I went to Walmart to really finish it off. So I picked up quite a few things with that blue theme in mind at Walmart. The first thing is a little pack of 8 ornaments. These are so beautiful. It's this deep blue color again with sort of a matte finish. I am in love with these. I think they're so gorgeous. This whole pack of 8 was like $4. Super, super affordable. You gotta love Walmart for that. But I think that those are going to make such a pretty touch on that tree as well. And then in addition to that, at Walmart, I picked up a ton of these little glittery accents. So I picked up this 24 count of these little glitter ornaments. These look like icicles. Again, in that deep dark blue, which I am totally in love with right now. I picked up the little glitter snowflakes, again in that same blue with the glitter, so gorgeous. And I think each of these packs, both the icicle ones and the snowflake ones, were like $2 or $3, super affordable again. And then to accent that tree, I picked up a bunch of these little clip ornaments in that same blue color, and these are like little feathers. So I thought that would be a beautiful addition to the tree as well. Also at Walmart, I picked up a couple of little ornaments for on my little tree in the bedroom that I talked about. I just could not pass these up. These were $2 each, and I thought that these would fit so beautifully with the theme. These are just little antlers with, again, that like raffia string. I don't even know if that's really what that's called. You guys can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But these also have little black bells on them, and I just think that those are so darling. So that'll finish off the tree in the bedroom. So that's it, you guys. That is my holiday decor haul. I am so excited to put up my trees and share with you guys all of the holiday decor that's going up in my house this year. It is killing me not to put up all of my decorations right now, but we're gonna try to make it through, get Thanksgiving and everything done before I go too crazy. I might put up a few things before then, but I'm very excited to take you guys along with me as I'm decorating this year. I do plan to do Vlogmas, so I'm so excited to share the holidays with you. I hope you guys are excited too. Let me know if you've picked up any new holiday decor this year. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys are not going to want to miss all of my holiday content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.